Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I do makeup tutorial looks. Love if you would join and subscribe, like, comment, all the YouTube things if you enjoy this video. So today we are creating this eye look, glittery eye look. Most of these products are using the Eben New York products, which I'm obsessed with. As you can see, we got some good quality products here. Let's get on to the tutorial. I got my eye base on. I use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade 88 Porcelain Beige to prime my eyes. Today I'm using the Eben New York Secret of Flora shadow palette. This is the packaging. So gorgeous. Look at the glitter. Look at the actual palette itself. It's stunning. So we're going to be using this today. I'm going to start out with the e.l.f. blending brush. We're going to go in with the shade Purple Desert, which is the shade right here. Tap it on the edge here. I'd rather grab like a little bit rather than too much product. So the one eye looks like at this point. We're gonna go in with the shade Cherry Blossom, which is this light pink up here. And we're just gonna do the outside borders of the eye right here. I'm just gonna give it some blending. It's a fair brush, 22E shade and blend brush, and we're just gonna take a little bit of that and just blend her out like right here. I'm only blending like right along here because this is set. I'm not blending on the top yet, and I'm just doing little circular motions. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, and then I'll be right back. Now we're going to work on adding some dimension. So we're gonna use the shade Dark Orchid right here on the outer corner of our eye. We're just gonna press, and I'm trying to like do like in the socket of the eye. And I'm just going to feather out a little bit, outer corner, just for blending purposes. And then I'm just going to stamp it as well. Just helps the blending process. This is my other eye, and then I'm also going to cut my crease. Okay, now we're using the Farrah 205 Fly Wings brush, and we're going to go in with Goddess of Love, which is this really gorgeous sparkly pink right here. We're just going to put that on like the outside rim here because I kind of like it right here in the front. Outer edge here. Look how gorgeous that glitter is. Applied very easily with this brush. Tell I really like that. I think it looks very beautiful. We're gonna go back into that fair brush and do a Dark Orchid as well. And we're gonna just press up here. Eben New York, they also sent me glitter. This is their Place Glitter and Color Duo Stick. It's in the shade Ballerina Kisses. So on my hand here, and use my concealer brush, cut the crease again with this purple shade. Stamp on some color here. Smooth it out. There's this a little loofah on here, so we're just going to place the glitter kind of like on top of it. This little one, it makes it very easy to apply. Look how beautiful my eye looks. Taking that Farrah 5 Fly Wings brush, just adding glitter on the edge here. I look right now. I'm going to do the other eye, and then I'm going to evaluate if I want to do anything else to the eye. So I just applied this 2-in-1 lash glue and eyeliner. Lashes is the eyeliner, and then obviously I'm wearing glasses. So it was really easy to apply the liner, and then of course all you have to do is place on the lashes. Super quick, super easy. I'm going to do the rest of my face. I'm back with the under eye. I'm gonna go in with the shade Lavender Garden. I feel like a light purple would look really pretty underneath. We're taking the brush we used earlier, the e.l.f. blending brush, and we're just going to take that on the tip of our brush, and then we're going to just dab on the other eye here, on the outside. I'm going to go back in with the darkest shade that we used here, the shade Dark Orchid. Put that on the outside of our eye. We're going to go in with Cherry Blossom, add this on the inner corner of the other eye. I'm going to go in with the shade Rosewater. I'm using the small brush Fly to apply the fly wing right in the under eye with some shimmer. Like brightened up the under eye, as you can see. We're going to go in with Floral Fantasy, and we're just going to pop that in the corner here. Just to pop. And I'm just tapping it right here in the center of the eyelid. And I'm also going to add this to the top of the eye right here. I'm just going to gently place it right here on the eyebrow bone. And now I'm moving on to the lips. So I did the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Curry 11. I'm going to now use the Secret of the Fairy Jelly Lip Gloss. So look how gorgeous this is. The shade Shell. And oh my gosh, look how gorgeous that shade is. This is the final look of the day. What do we think? I love it. I love a glittery eye look. If you recreate this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram. That is all I have for you for my second tutorial here on the YouTubes. Keeping awesome, keeping you, Kelsey, signing off.